there are some acts that we commit, brothers and sisters, and we're not aware of it. There are some acts we commit. The effect of these actions can stay till the day of judgment. Sometimes it's a word that I say. It's an act that I do. The damage that is done is not only a few seconds, a few days. No, sometimes the damage can continue till the day of judgment. One example is if I misguide someone, or because of me someone is misguided. Because of my attitude someone is misguided. And this is extremely applicable to who? To those people who consider themselves religious or who act religious. Be very careful, brothers and sisters. Yes, be religious. Let everyone know in your society that you're religious. That's good. Encourage others. But sometimes we could do certain things that will push away certain people from our faith till the day of judgment. I've misguided this person, and because of that, his children are misguided and their grandchildren till the day of judgment. Who's responsible for that? This is why in one hadith, Al-Imam Ja'far al-Sadiq alayhi salam, he says, he's addressing his followers. He says, there are some of you, because of your excellent akhlaq, attitude, behavior, because of your piety in the religion of Allah, because of your truthful tongue, because of your trustworthiness, the people will say, this is the student of Ja'far ibn Muhammad, this is Ja'fari. And this brings joy to my heart. Because the people will say, look at this person, his great attitude, it's because he follows Ja'far ibn Muhammad. And then the Imam says, there are other people, they are otherwise. They claim to be my followers, but because of their bad behavior, bad attitude, the bad way in which they carry themselves, what happens? The Imam says, the calamity of their actions befalls me. فَعَلَيَّ بَلَاؤُهُ وَعَارُهُ. And I am ashamed. The shame of their actions includes me.